Hi, first grade. Welcome to math. I want to spend today going over your quiz from last week to make sure that we all understand what we were supposed to do and that it makes sense. And anything that maybe you didn't get correct, that's okay. That tells me, oh, we need to practice it. That's why we're going to go over it right now and maybe practice a little bit more this week on some things. Okay? So, on the very first problem, you had these little groups right here. How many are in each group? Well, if you count them, there are 10. These are groups of 10, just like our 10s that we use, like this. Okay? So it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups of 10. And then it has, oh, here's some right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ones. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But it's not a group of 10. These are ones. Okay, 6, 7. So we have, how many 10s do we have? That's right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 10s. How many ones? 7. So this is equal to 57. Good job. So when it has the answer on here, we go to 57 and we'll circle B. 57 is the correct answer. Okay. Then it has a group of numbers in these little stars, 70, 88, 96, and 69. Okay. And it says, which is the greatest number? So I'm going to move this out of the way. Boop. So we have these numbers, 70, 88, 96, and 69. And it says, which one is the greatest or biggest number? Well, if we're counting 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 68, 69. Okay, we got to this number first. 70, 80, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96. 96 is the greatest number out of those 4 numbers. Okay, let's go to our next page. On the next part, it says, you have 7 10s and 1 more 10. So you have 7 10s. Here's 1 10, 2, 3 10s, 4 10s, 5 10s, 6 10s, 7 10s, and 1 more 10. So you've got 7 plus 1, 10. So that means you have 8 10s altogether. What does that equal? 7 10s and 1 10, that's 8 10s. And they gave you some choices. They said, is that 17? Is that 71? Is that 80? Or is it 81? Well, if you have 8 10s, let's count them by 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So we would circle the 80. This equals 80 squares altogether. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If we counted every single square. We have them in groups of 10 to make it easier for us to count them up. 80. Great job. Okay. Then they showed you a picture. And in that picture, let's move these down. Bing. This is what they showed you. They showed you this, one of these, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. And they said, what are these? What are these groups of? And here are your choices. It says, is this is it 100, 110 and 4 ones? Is it 12 10s and 4 ones? 104 ones or 11 10s and 14 ones? Well, let's look at it. This group right here is 100, and we have one of those. So we have one group of 100, so it's 100. And then it's 1. How many squares are on this? It's a 10. So this is 110. And this is 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. We just count them by 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones. So we would have circled this very first one that says that we have 100. Here's our 100. 110. There's our group of 10. And 4 ones. So we would circle A. Great job, you guys. All right, last page. It says, which one is true? And we practice this in small group. So you'd have to pick either A, B, C, or D. Which one of those is true? Okay, well, this first one, A, has 2 groups of 10 and 3 ones. So that's 23. This one has 3 groups of 10 and 2 ones, 32. So we have 23. So let's write this down. Let me move these out of the way. So we figured out that we have 23 and we have 32, and they put this symbol in between it. They put like this. Okay, well, is that one true? Is 23 less than 32? Well, let's think when we're counting. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. We had to keep counting to get to 32. So 32 is greater than 23. So is that true? Yeah. So we could circle A and say, well, that one's true, but there might be another one that's true. So let's keep looking. Okay. The next one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tens and 7 ones. So it has 6 tens and 7 ones. That's 67. And the next part has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tens and 4 ones. 74. Okay. And it says 67 is greater than 74. Well, let's think about our numbers and our number chart. Where is 67? 60. 1, 2, 3. 67. And then the other number is 74. Well, 74, you have to go even farther. It's bigger. You have to keep counting. So 74 is bigger or greater than 67. So our alligator should be eating 74. So this one is not correct. Nope. Okay, just like Aiden always does. X. All right, that's not it. So that one's not true. All right, let's look at the next one. The next one says 44 is greater than 46. Well, when we're counting, does that make sense? 43, 44, 45, 46. We have to keep going to get to 46. Keep counting. So 46 is bigger. So this is not correct. We want the alligator to eat 46. All right, last one. It says 81 is less than 77. Again, we've got to count and think about it, okay? 81 and 77. Well, if I'm counting by tens, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71, 72, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81. I had to keep counting. My number got bigger to get to 81. So we want the alligator to eat 81. Is that what it's doing? Nope. So this one is not correct. Okay. So those were your quiz questions and things we were working on. If you didn't get one of the answers right, that's fine. That just tells me we're going to practice and we'll work on it. So don't you even worry. Okay. You guys did a great job. I'm really proud of you. And we're going to keep practicing this week. All right. See you soon. Bye.